Good morning, ay. This portion is brought to you by and sponsored by Sir Daniel. We have garlic shrimp, grilled big fish, kinilaw, and tinola. Let's pray ani. Good morning! Di kita yun na barangay Slig. Mamahaw kami takiring ito na. Thank you for the sponsor. Wine, sir. Tanya. Dayol. Basta Daniel. Haton. Wow. Naninig in English gift. Ayun pag in English, hey, sasabtan kita na. We are eating Carabao. You can see we have so many visitors, the bikers, man. They came here just for breakfast. Ano pa in English ito? Shrimp. Shrimp. We will see how they clean the mechanism. Long potiro din nagkukunlo. You can see there's so many people out there from different places, coming from different town. It's halfway there, huh? I don't know if my Yorick will proceed after all. We have leftovers, but here in the Philippines we bring it at home. It's called bring home, not leftovers. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Ini nga yun, nakitunan niya na good morning. Good morning, mga kay. Today is, ano daw? At may dadin he. Oy, may dadin ha. Oy, ano? Today is November 24, 2021. Ada kay kunhain kita yan ha. Di kita yan ha. Barangay Bislig. Kaya no? Di kita kiring ito na ito man. Lagid kayo nakapalos. Spotting yan ni nanay. Pupunta hay Jubita Salvado. Man, anakon Iroy natuna. Ano daw ba kita toke? Kita yun ang mga kasangkayan ko. Di kita ito na. Ay ka na, ato katop. May dangayan ang pahid. Ori kita makalisto. May dangayan ang pahid. Gido damot daramoy niya natatungging kanhi. Barangay Bislig. Mamamahaw kami takiring ito na kay ano. May ada naton usang new subscriber. Usalo ato nini nga taga Universal Studio. Alaga daw kay Ania Panuyo. He wants to see the beach resort and also the seafoods area here in Barangay Bislig. So therefore our topic today, diri ko no kay dapat mag-in-English ka nga ni. May dako na ton islang. Iti mo kuno pagluluwas iton English. It comes from your nose. So sasaro puntahan ayani kita panhinga nga budoy. Titinaw tak iray. Kay manbita. We have to thank you for the sponsor. Ano pa to niya ngaran? Kumbaga din niya aton anay. Silent N. Good morning. Good morning, sir. Tanya. Dayol. Basta Daniel. Haton. Oy, amin din niya. Bislig Beach Resort. Man amin din ni. Olagod kay nahamot na kita. Hinma surusugba gidong takiring na to no. Adto man may dadi dito. Malapirit. Ano daw? Ba'n kita matikong? Ano daw? Kanto ano kita? Naroon yung kita pagkuhan may dapat man tingin. Kantuanan kita na ya. Na din nila ha. Din nila. Matrasan kita. Wait I will turn it off first, okay? There is something firing squad there. Naninig in English gift. Ayun pag in English, hey, sasabtan kita na. We are eating Carabao. Carabao English. Din nila ha. Ay paingkiw eh. Nay.
Ay ka pa igudida.
Di nila ha. Now this is before anything we will go there. So this is the connection between Barangay Kabuinan and Barangay Bislig. This is so called the hanging bridge. Senior San Miguel, maupay na lang at tinamudak pagido kay we have to be careful so far. Okay, this is the hanging bridge and there's a boat. A boat. There's a boat. Now wait, the sun goes down. Oh, so as you can see, there's a puzzled stepping stone. So once you come here, you have to be very extra careful of your stepping stone because you might fall downstairs. Shout out to you, Daniel. Sir Daniel, huh? Shout out to you. Thank you for the benefits of the doubt. Thank you for this sponsoring.
Ini palad.
Palad.
Tampal puki.
Tampal po.
Adi ko ang pampano.
Pampano.
Dayang.
Do. Napira man itong sugad. Ito sugad din.
200 ang kilo.
200. Mga bapira man yung kakilo.
Ado somport.
Log. Amo na din yan baga nganin ang pagbagsak. Tapos dito ibala. Ibala.
Dito hulog, dini bagsak.
Sige. Thank you.
Dito hulog, dini bagsak.
Mamay kala ano. Nasingan kita na din ano na. Nasingan na kita din una. And syempre again, my heartfelt joy to you. I'm very happy because of your treatment. This is already a challenge for me to speak your language. I hope we can entertain you as well, depending on my vocabulary, because I have only one page. That's why you have to be careful to stepping stone because you might get hurt. That's why adi ka pinani papag in-Englishan tayo ni talon pakiananta kung ano yan niya natapos. Nag-advance kaya pinin or miskwila nag-advance ini ay parang tanay pero nakaminuto. Let's proceed. Actually we will just focus for the meantime the seafood area here in Barangay Bislig. We will be coming back soon. This is gonna be the first part 1, okay? So we will just focus on the seafoods area. Soon we will soon daton pagkuko nagtinagalog nagwaray nagkagaramo. Naubsanan. Naubsan in English. Ikaw na ano nim natapos? Nag-advance ka. Nag-advance amo rin miskwila.
Uy,
Ha?
Magkaano ako pakuan ha?
Iya.
Assumption.
Oo, ano kang year? Year graduated
Waray ang pag-graduate.
Ano?
Ito bila ako ako. Second.
Di man.
Waray na tatay.
Ano yan, didala na yun. Manungang kita. Di rin, didala ha. Bagahing kiwi. Stipot. Amon din yan na iton paralitan, no? Mandamo. As you can see, we have so many visitors. The bikers, man. They came here just for breakfast, no? We have they came from different area of our municipality. Man, mga
Kamot is dali di.
video, dulur. Ulogo dong. Palad. Adin pasayan. Ano pa tining disiton?
Shrimp.
Ano na? Shrimp. How much? How much? Sharing pa.
500.
500. Uy, good for ini. Ha?
Saya.
400. Uy.
Marami na kasi sila sige
Uy, mano. Crab mentality. Ini tangigin ano?
Dorado sir.
Dorado. Ano pa ninin? Pwede niya kilaw.
Oo, kinilaw.
Kilaw di. Pabolit ma'am sa pero man di.
350 lang to sir.
350. Padi, ano niya? Di pa di. Ano niya? Kuan.
Mangsa.
Ma'am saghap. Padihin.
No.
No. So we will now choose our kuan. 300 dala.
300 sir. Ade.
Sige, pwede ito. 300 da.
Gotek.
Tapos ang kilaw ha, ang kilaw. Adi. Sige daw.
Adi na la sir. Para sakto. 140 la di sir.
40. Tapos adi. Pwede sugbaon.
Oo. Adi mo sir.
Adi.
Adi 420.
Adi 400. Tapos tula ha, pwede matula.
Ini nalagyok.
Aw ini. Tutungaon.
Adi ka magkuan sa pong para mas mabigpugis.
Itong tulaon.
Diri. Tawa 700 sir.
6 na lang. Sige. Ano ha, di lumaya. Pagbibiran ta didi. Ano kay we will see how they cleanse the mechanism. Kay karo yung pumiton nga kano, ginaano din yung pagluluto.
Ini nga ito lah ini. Adi.
Anta din ito. This is how they prepare the meals. Once you buy their once you buy their divider, they will now cook. They will cleanse the mechanism. Although this one is for tinola. This is for tinola. Pero ito
Nakwantahan sir 1140.
1140. Kuan. Lang po tiro din nagkukuan la. Lang po tiro din natumbod la tiro mga isda lang natumbod. So we will pwede kami magkita ano pagluto ano kay okay. Oy. Ha?
Amit kinilaw.
O kinilaw.
Bubutangan tanhatok para marasa.
Bisan
Normal la.
normal la oo.
Pero kay maraset may hatok yun eh. Oh, sige ka mula.
Oo, sige. Tapos ini
Kuan garlic.
garlic.
Oh. Ano maharang-harang hiya?
Oo, baga marang-harang sa kuhay. Tapos adya din tinula.
Ari sinagba.
Tapos adin sinugba. This will bloated so kay English magkita yun. This will be Grilled.
Ah,
This will be grilled laga daw. This will be puting sabaw. They are very accommodating. Eh, kay kano ini kano. Sering hi Sir Daniel.
Yes, sir, Daniel.
Oh.
hi.
Oh, laga daw budo. Oh, hi Sir Daniel. Thank you for this. And to you my friend also there from the outer space. Thank you for recommending this event. Sponsored.
Coordinator din ini.
Pa-shout out na lang po sa akong mga amigo.
Kan sani ni pamahawan.
Oh, Sani.
Sani.
Sami pahamahawan. O andin ni dako nat gin kuanan, dako nat gin ibahan ano. Oo kay naghaluwag na oh. Pamahawan ni Sami. Andi diha. Bislig Tanawan Leyte. Of course, why not? This is how they do it. They have also the crab mentality. They grilled it very nicely, tenderly. And tonight, actually the time is 7:20. Now there's the big tender juicy hot dog. It's already now firing squad. So they grilled it nicely. Look. Sami pamahawan, Sami breakfast table. As you can see, there's so many people out there from different places, coming from different town. That is why Santa Claus is coming to town. We just came here by this Inwaw. This is our new public transportation from pedicab to electric bike, and this is my mother.
Hello.
Okay.
Good morning.
Yo, damot sarakyan. Ginaano din gindadayo talaga. So pamahawan itato niya na burubalabag han pamahawan seafoods. Oo. Dirilani kita baga kay budo labayin nga duro. So di kita magpapatastas. Itaton lainin din hilani kita tingya pamahawan nanma. Amin din talaga kilala na gud din niya Bislig. Iton sugada di nga kuan adlaw Sabado. Dadayo pag ay pandako. Ano hingay isda? Laway. Ay, hello. Hi. Mo penga. Mo po di ka wala. Awa di man ni. Mo penga. Ano na kukuha ngumpra. Hello. Ba di mo gihapon ni sir. Ba. Ha?
Saya ni ko.
Uy, ba. Pamahawon gyap. As you can see, Sir Daniel, there's a plane upstairs in the sky. It means that airport is just over there. So once you landed, it will only take for about an hour to reach here in Barangay Bislig. Oh, welcome to my life. Oh, dami mga taga-kondo. Oy. Oh, magbibidyo ko ha. Kapingaga. Morning. Putoy canteen. Breakfast table. Oh. It's halfway there ha. Di maya. Adto na. Ogido, adto naman no. Nakapisto na tak iri nga to na. Good morning ay. So this portion is brought to you by and sponsored by Sir Daniel. Oh, may na we have garlic shrimp. We have grilled big fish. We have kinilaw and tinola. Oo. Pangawa kita, bon appetit. Best spray yan ini. 90% dollars. Tinola. Sabaw. Gin sugad ini ano kay sponsored inin anaton gud man baga siring padirinin baga ano kay tungod gud man gintagan kita hin budget aroyag kumita in talon an ni Sir Damiel kung ano iton kuan di diha seafoods area tong di diha barangay Bislig. So siyempre magpatastas kita ba. Tapos adihin kuan tinugba mamay kala ito itat kakaon ng lanay para padi. Hindi nila niya printi. Oo italiwan hindi talo yun natural sharing pa ito na for the dogs for the house. Pwede rin gad kaya nin baga ubuson ba daw kadamo hinin siyempre papatulo-tulo tatatot mga panimalay pa balay sadi kinilaw nay gusto na ay pagtipid. Ani mo lang dito pumabalon. Adi, panay ha? Abot na lata di man. We have shrimp. No, hindi na ako. I don't know if my uric will proceed after all. But I will, don't worry, I will drink medicine. So there's a lip. Oh, we have leftovers, but here in the Philippines we bring it at home. It's called bring home, not leftovers. I'm so very thankful for you, Sir Damiel. 350. So may da 350 tanan, tas may nagbaga guti ay nga baga akuan ha era. Thank you ayo. Ay, dangkay. We have already eaten our nanikitinaw. We have already passed breakfast. We have already passed the break. Our stomach is full of seafoods, and of course we buy not only for ours here in the Philippines. Here in the Philippines, over in the country they are called leftovers, but here we called it bring home. We brought to you by to our homes so that our ancestors can also eat there. By the way, before it's too late, maybe I'll be have in an Alzheimer. Siyempre inupod ka, you kuan me, you accompanied me. There's a talent fee. Maroon ka talent fee. May bayad
You
hayom.
give me.
You give. May bayad
You
hayom.
give me.
You give. Maroon yan talent fee ko no, you give me.
You give me.
Ada
May talent
may talent fee. Ada
Yes.
ay na pag ko na kumpira di ha. Basta igduduhol ko im.
It's okay. It's
It's
okay.
okay. Ang karawata di. Ay la pag ko na gingko mo dayon. Ay pagpakita ko na not nga color kay bangin ton
May lumapad.
Ang bahay lumupad. Totoo, Dolor. Totoo, pagkuhan kita. Pasalamat kita na Tayo, sir, Denya.
Thank you very much for
Tayo,
the
Sige.
compliments.
Compliments.
For the breakfast.
Treatment.
Treatment.
Okay, kuhan.
Very treatment.
Ano man, skin na. Stomach, kuhan, stomach check. Oh, we have already eaten our break.
Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much. Balita ko mo. For you, Sir Daniel,
For you,
thank you
sir.
for this opportunity. And we have already, this is our first time to do our best. Our bonding. And thank you to you also, my friend of mine who recommended me and give me kuan.
Friend of you.
O give me ang tawag ito. Ang tagan nimo ba ko hin idea nga nagkukan ako kun hinot iguupod. So hiya nagsering nga gabay kita magkuan daw la magbinisaya. Dada ko no timo kero nga tuna. Manbita.
Taka din ito.
Taka outer space lagi. Sunod. Dili kita makakagburbalabag din hiton barangay Bislig kay tungod nga hilabang nga duro. Anaton la focus yan ang kabayan naton pamahaw. Oo, so mabalik pa kita sunod. Ini naton la pamahaw kay no. Damo din ni kaupa iton attraction nga iyo pwede pagbisitahon didi barangay Bislig. So ganit alaga gid mga parigusan didi kay maghusay. Oo, usa naghihapon didi ha. We recommend also when we will pass through. We will recommend also when over there. Okay. The Hayan, you can stay here. You can stay here, okay wait, okay. So Sir Daniel, this is what I'm saying. This is the Hayan Hotel. Oh, this very first class hotel. As actually, I've already featured this. Okay, so you can stay there if you want for a couple of days, or if you want to go to the fishing to the seafood area. It's better to go there between 6 a.m. to 7:30. Okay, pagkabot ito na alas 8, when it's already 8 o'clock, no more. Man ini Yepjo. Pan mo nga nung tani bibisitahon tani ato ni kaduhang party ang pagburubalabag naton din yung barangay Bislig. Napagkaya na anatong goodman didi insingan ni ang seafood area didi Bislig. So may define in part 2 anaton burubalabag good there there's a hanging bridge. So thank you sir, again thank you for the sponsorship brought to you. Bye. Also thank you again Nay.
Thank you.
He's very happy. She's very happy for the give me or the talent fee. Ano ko nagtirig siya ni talent fee? Ano yan siring dayon? Give me. Ala agad na di rin nangunguyit pagluwas. She knows how to speak the language. Talent fee. Give me. Again ha. Sir Daniel, thank you so much for this portion, this sponsorship of yours. May you be blessed and your family also, and to you, my friend from another stars. Thank you gyapon. Ay mo. So again, this has been your friend from another stars. Ini papabiling lagi po niyo nga iyo ubos nga sangkay. Sangkay tunyo. Good night. Sweet dreams. Mama. Chup chup.